Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Myrna Carbonell, 32 years old, married to Frederick Carbonell. I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. Her age is 11 years old, 6 years old, and 1 years old. I am the youngest of my family. My education attachment is high school graduate. My work experience in Philippines is in 2018 to 2021 housemaid. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening. I want to work Hong Kong because Hong Kong is higher salary than Philippines and I will better support my family in Philippines. To my future employer, I hope you select me and you like me. I will do all rules and regulation that you are giving it to me, and I will finish my 2 years contract that you are giving to me, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you and God bless po.